So up until now, we were running the jobs manually through the run functionality on the job. There's a run button or there's a tooltip as well. So if you right click, you can run it from here, but that's not very practical. So in the real world, you would like to basically run this job periodically in scheduled intervals and have your product updated from Megaventory into Woo. So how can we schedule a job? So we can see on the right hand side in here there is a schedule, and you can set the recurrence as well. So simply by selecting the job, you can choose the first day when it's supposed to run. If you choose the date and time in the past, it's gonna run immediately, and then within the recurrent schedule you set up. But let's say, or maybe, yeah, let's demonstrate. So if I set it to yesterday's date, and I'll set it to, let's say, 1 p.m., and I set a recurrence on it, and I want to run this every minute, I can do it this way. Now I save it, and the job will be immediately scheduled, and you will see this running will turn blue in a short while, and it will start running, and then it will continue to run every minute. And here we go, it's already started and it's running. So that was the initial run. So you can see it ran at 3:50 a.m. and there should be another one coming soon, and then basically every minute as per the schedule. You can also make this first basically schedule in the future, in which case nothing is run. Basically when the time comes, it runs for the first time, and then again it's gonna follow the recurrent schedule you set up here. So let's just wait for a little while here. Now if you set up a 1 minute schedule and you have a job which runs for more than 1 minute, let's say you have thousands of products in there, and the synchronization itself takes longer than a minute, then obviously the schedule is skipped and it will run the minute after it finishes. But as you can see, it ran again 3:51, so it will continue run every minute as per the schedule set up.